Hey guys! Alright, so I just got a box in the mail of new products to try out. Actually not a whole lot of products, just one line, just several different colors from Victoria's Secret. And I decided to try out some of their lip stains. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. This is actually a look from the drugstore, including the cheapest 98-cent lashes. I was in Walmart yesterday and they had a display on the end that had nail polish. Oh, not good at all. This nail polish, this is like 4 coats to try to get it to cover, and it's still so streaky and it never dried, so that will be taken off after this video. Don't look too close at that. That's what happened there. 98-cent nail polish is no good. But the lashes, there were maybe 4 different designs, I would say, and the rest of them look, I cannot stand when lashes are that shiny, synthetic. They remind me of the baby dolls, you know, that you used to get, the blinky baby dolls. I just can't stand that look. So I wanted something fluttery and natural, and these were 98 cents a piece. So I thought we would try those out today, and I kind of like them. I did have to put some mascara. Hi, Bojo. Let me film, okay? Turkey. Okay, little Bojo. You can't be, oh, don't lick my makeup off. 98-cent lashes, I'm trying those out, and I did have to put a little mascara on because they're just super fine, but I kind of like them. So the colors that I have, see, I haven't even opened them yet. This is going to be a true first impression. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that package is. This color, what does it even say the color? Spark. Yeah, this is a lip lacquer. Spark is what it says. This is why my nails look so terrible, so it might not be the 98-cent nail polish. It might be the fact that I feel like I don't ever need to use a knife or a pair of scissors. Just tear into it. Just abuse your nails. That's what you need to do. Alright, so that is Spark. The other one that I did already open is called Tease, and it is a velvet matte is what it says. Can y'all see that? Velvet matte. It's got the sticker on the back. I guess I paid $14 for it because there's a sticker. It says it's a cream lip stain, so we'll see how that works. The first one says it's an intense lip lacquer, so I guess they are different formulas. Pure Metal is also what this one says. Spark is the color. Pure Metal Intense Lip Lacquer. All right, and then the last one that I haven't even opened yet. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's also a velvet matte, but it is super bright colored. I mean, whoa. And it's called Impulsive, and it's also a cream lip stain. Okay, my thoughts on this, I am thinking maybe I should start with the mildest one and kind of work my way up to this. This is totally not gonna go with my eyeshadow look today, so I don't know. Alright, so I have taken my lipstick off, and we're going to try the cream lip stain first in Tease. I paid $14 for each one of these, and this one is a matte, velvet matte is what it says. There's what the formula, I'm gonna hold it back here so that my lights don't just completely blow out everything for us. It feels really soft on my lips. Okay. It feels soft on my lips. It feels kind of waxy in a way. Moisturizing, I guess. It does feel velvety. It really does. It feels velvety. To me, that's a little brighter than, I don't know that that's gonna even translate at all. But it's going more pink on me. Does that look like it's the same color? To me, this is brighter and pinker than the tube. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the really bright, intense one. That is what I would call watermelon pink. Watermelon pink. Okay, well, okay, so this is the color Impulsive. $14 Impulsive. It's also a cream lip stain, and so I'm really hoping that my lips don't stain this color. I'll have to come back and redo my whole eye look to go with this watermelon. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. Actually, I like it. That's a statement. That is a statement. Especially with my green eye makeup for today. Holy moly, you can see my lips coming from a mile away. It's one of those things where like my lips would walk in the door and then my body would come in 30 minutes later. Okay, Impulsive, that's a really good name for this one. It is a watermelon pink. That would be the perfect description for this. Right now, this feels exactly like any other regular lipstick, like in the tube, one that's not long wearing, that you just wear lipstick. And that's totally fine for pictures. I mean, you could just wear this for, I mean, everything that I do is pictures because I'm a photographer. It's not long wearing. This would be something that is equal to any other lipstick in a tube that you have that is not meant to be long wearing at all. Just a cream formula that just feels nice on the lips, but it's not something that is going to be great to wear on a date because you're definitely going to transfer. I can just, okay, let's try that out. I have my coffee right here. So let's try. Yeah. Okay, so this is the kind of lipstick that I make a huge mess with. I wouldn't wear this to work just because my job, as I've said 1,000 times, I'm a photographer. I own a photography studio, so I've usually got a camera in front of my face. My lips are, sometimes they bump the camera, bump my hand. I know that a lot of times when I'll turn my camera around, there will be mascara. I mean, it just depends on how hot and sweaty I am. There'll be makeup on the back of my camera, and I can already tell this looks like it's smeared just from drinking that. So this is not a long wearing product at all. This would be equivalent to any other lipstick in a tube that you're just going to put on just for kind of a special appearance. For pictures would be great, but I don't think that this is going to last all that long. It's still moving around my lips, so just be prepared for that. I don't really know the point in doing, I like liquid lipsticks because I just always assume that they're going to dry down and last. I don't think these are going to do that. This might have stained my lips, so maybe I'm wrong there. If I blot it off to just, whoo, I mean, it's coming off. Now, okay, maybe there's the magic of this stuff. I am eating paper towel on YouTube. Okay, so that did stain my lips. Yeah, that definitely colored my lips. Now it's not transferring. So it was super moisturizing and it's not really, it kind of smeared. It kind of smeared on my lips, but it definitely stained them. So I kind of have a watermelon-y stain, berry stain on my lips, and maybe that is the long wearing part of it being a liquid lipstick. So this is kind of interesting that it did end up being a stain. The initial top coat is not a stain, but that stained my lips. I mean, that colored them. These first two are a cream stain, and then this last one is the one I'm excited about. This is the Intense Lip Lacquer that is pure metal, is what it's called, and the color is Spark. Oh, this is my vibe, okay, for today anyway. It is I would say that's like the perfect nude, but pearly shimmer. So let's see if we can cover. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this may be my new favorite color ever. Okay, so the underlying stain made it a little pinkier than probably it is. This looks like the perfect nude to me. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I don't know if that's looking too pink on camera. In person, it's more of a champagne nude color. And that package is so cute. I love that. Is it upside down? There we go. Packaging is super cute on that one. That feels totally like a lip gloss. I mean, as glossy as that could possibly be. Let me pull this up. I can see where it's stringing together. Hang on. Okay, let's get that out of there. Is it on my teeth? Nope. Victoria's Secret Intense Lip Lacquer. So it's probably not supposed to be long wearing. I think it is just a gloss, and it feels, oh, that feels so good. It feels like a gloss. It definitely does. Okay, so here is where I've pulled it up on Victoria's Secret website. Oh my gosh. You guys. All right, I think I'm gonna pause this video and go place my order and then come back and tell y'all. These are regularly $14. That's what I paid for them, but they are on clearance for $3.99. Run and buy these. You guys, y'all need all of these. Metallic champagne and then metallic gold. Okay, all right, so product details. It says, our latest lip obsession takes metallic flash to a whole new level. Infused with high impact metallic pearls for full coverage color and dazzling multi-dimensional shine. Layer on to customize your intensity. One coat for daytime shine or a few more for a dramatic party glow. So it doesn't say anything about being long wearing. It's just a gloss. But when I say just a gloss, I think that's my new favorite. Gosh, that's pretty. Okay, so that one's Spark. There's one for $2.99. Let's see what color that one is. Metallic Bronze is also on clearance for $2.99. I am going to have to go, you guys. I'm gonna end this video so I can go place my order because I did not pay that for these. To be honest, let me back up and say, to be honest, I ordered these a couple of weeks ago and I just haven't opened the box yet, so I'm not too upset that I didn't get mine on clearance. But these are $14 usually, and they're $2.99 or $3.99, depending on what color. The light, let's see, the metallic bronze shade is $2.99. So if you're looking for a gloss that is full coverage, feels amazing, run out and get these. Run out and get them. Okay, I gotta go get busy. I gotta go place my order. Y'all do too. I was pulling this up to see what the description was, and they're on clearance. Okay, looks like a good day to me. What is today, Wednesday? Clearance Wednesday. Looks like a good Wednesday to me. That just made my day. If y'all liked this video, then leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for sure. And y'all have a great afternoon. I'm going shopping. Bye guys.